So today I'll be showing you how to stop your iPhone from automatically connecting to a specific or a certain Wi-Fi network. So to do that, you need to go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to Wi-Fi. Now, it could be the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to or one that you had previously connected to. If it's the previous, you can go to edit and then scan your face or enter your passcode and you'll see all Wi-Fi networks you've ever connected to on your iPhone. So you can pick the one you no longer want to connect to automatically. So for instance, you can pick this one, just tap on the eye. And there are two things you can do here. You can completely forget this network. That means your iPhone will completely forget that network. If you don't intend on ever connecting to that network before, again, you can choose that option. Now, if you want to connect to it later, but you don't want your iPhone to connect automatically, you can disable the auto join option. That means when you want to connect to that particular network, you have to manually connect to it. So those are the two options you have. Thanks for watching and good luck.